Spencer, give me the thumbs up when you're good.
Alright, let the competitions begin in 3, 2, 1. Begin. And so this starts in hard. He's going in hard. He's about to rip this machine. As you can see, 2 wheels. But the flightless bird is is still alive and moving crazy as ever. He's running away, but Enceladus persists. It seems like what made the bird shiny is now ripped off. But Enceladus is upside down. Who knows?
It opens in 30.
It looks like the flightless bird is trying to lift, but with one arm, can't do anything. Enceladus goes in hard, striking the very bird that is about to die. Who knows? Maybe the bird might survive.
Pit opens in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The pit is open. Sudden death. Enceladus seems to have struggles, but he's about to go in hard for the kill. But who knows? Flightless bird might have another trick on its back. It seems the left tire's not helping the flightless bird, but Enceladus will kill. Who knows? It seems like Enceladus has seemed to be crippled. 30 seconds. Who will win? It seems like Enceladus is still struggling to do loops.
It's like good to do here. Who's shot first? Enceladus. I actually moved.
4, 3, 2, 1. Game end.
I think I saw Enceladus.
It seems like the flightless bird has become
Yeah, I mean, I
nothing
do have it
more
recorded if
than
you want to watch
extinct.
it.
Ah.